My name is Mark. Stick with me for a minute and we're going to go over a question of why isn't my pump working? First thing you want to check is, does your pump have power? Start at the outlet itself, making sure that we have power there. You may have a tripped GFCI outlet or possibly one that's inside the house somewhere. The easiest way to figure this out is grab hair dryer, battery charger, anything that will indicate that you have good power at the outlet. Plug it in, make sure it works. If that does work, then we need to move over to the pump itself and see what's going on there. There could be something that's jammed inside the impeller where the pump actually has power, but it's not spinning and pushing the water. Things that happen with that is possibly a clogged skimmer basket that's not letting enough water through and letting it push the water up to the top of your waterfall. Another issue is frogs. During this time of year in the winter, frogs are looking for something warm and they get stuck in there. Other than that, if your pump has gone bad, then that's something that will need to be replaced.